protection system from Codefusion fails to initialize correctly. This commonly happens due to corrupted files, antivirus interference, or blocked services on Steam. Here are the working fixes you can show in your video. Fix Monster Hunter Wilds Anti-Tamper Error PC. Number 1. Verify game files. Corrupted files often trigger the anti-tamper system. Steps 1. Open Steam. 2. Go to Library. 3. Right-click Monster Hunter Wilds. 4. Click Properties. 5. Go to Installed Files. 6. Select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait until verification finishes. Number 2. Disable antivirus Windows security. Temporarily, antivirus software sometimes blocks the anti-tamper launcher. Steps 1. Open Windows security. 2. Go to Virus and Threat Protection. 3. Disable real-time protection. 4. Launch the game again. You can also add the game folder as an exclusion. For 3. Run the game as administrator. Permission issues can stop the anti-tamper system. Steps 1. Open the game installation folder. 2. Right-click the game.exe. 3. Click Run as administrator. 4. Delete the anti-tamper cache. Rebuilding the protection files often fixes the issue. You can see the code in our conversation history, delete the anti-tamper or protection folder if present, then verify the game files again. 5. Disable overlay apps. Overlay tools conflict with the anti-tamper system. Disable Discord overlay, NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay, MSI Afterburner Riva Tuner, Steam overlay. Restart your PC afterward. 6. Install Visual C++ and DirectX. Missing runtime libraries can also cause the error. You can see the code in our conversation history. Install Visual C++ redistributables, DirectX runtime. SEO title fix. Monster Hunter Wilds